Just over my shoulder are a bunch of products that have been sent to me for free from different brands, from different sponsors that want me to share them with my social media audience, primarily YouTube and Amazon Live. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best place that you can apply to get free products even if you have a small following. Hey, what's going on everybody? Monte Weaver here and welcome to the channel. I help you navigate this world of digital, tech, and social media. Now, if you've been following my channel for a little while, you know that I've been talking a lot about the Amazon Live platform. I think that's the best place for smaller influencers to start to gain traction and start to get attention. One, because it's live streaming, and two, because it's Amazon. It's a platform that you should definitely start using. Now, when I first started doing videos on YouTube and live streaming on Amazon, working with sponsors and brands wasn't really something I thought was possible early on, especially because I had a small audience. But times are changing. There's something called nano and micro influencers. So even if you have less than 1,000 followers, there is still a chance that a company could reach out to you to have you promote their products. I'm going to give you a website that I think that you guys will be very interested in knowing about. I've been contacted by a lot of different companies, some of which I turned down because they don't fit into my brand, and some that make me pay a little bit more attention than others. One of those companies is called Thrasio, and they are tapping into the Amazon live streaming game hard, and they're looking for influencers like you and me. Now, with the Amazon Live platform being really new, there aren't a lot of influencers to reach out to. And so I wanted to share this awesome company with my Facebook community. So if you're not in my Amazon Live Facebook community where we support each other, help each other grow, and share awesome opportunities like this, make sure you check the link in this video to get inside of that Facebook group. Now, it's great to receive free products, but it's even better to get compensated to talk about these products as well. And you'll find out, if you haven't already, that a lot of companies want to send you free products but not compensate you. That's not the case with Thrasio. You can see here in this article, they just received $750 million into their business. Now they're going after the Amazon Live community fast and furious because this is an opportunity for them as well. But even if you have a following on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you still can apply to their partner program. Now below this video, I'm also going to put a link to their partner program, but all you have to do is make sure you do one thing in particular. When you fill out the form at the very bottom, it's going to say referred by. Make sure that you put my name in the referred by section, Monte Weaver. That way they know that you're connected to me through this video. Now, as you guys start to work with different brands and different sponsors, let me know in the comment section, where is your following? I would love to check out your live streams, your videos, and help all of us grow in this influencer community. Now, if you haven't already, check out the rest of the videos here on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.